The Sun and the Wind. The sun and the wind had an argument about who was stronger. They decided to settle the argument by seeing who could get a man to take off his coat. The wind blew and blew, but the man just held his coat tighter. The sun then shone brightly, and the man soon took off his coat. The wind was amazed. "How did you do that?" he asked the sun. The sun smiled. "It's simple," he said. "I used my intelligence. I knew that the man would take off his coat if he got too hot." The wind learned a valuable lesson that day. He realized that intelligence is often more powerful than strength. I hope you enjoyed this short story.